Iris Command is a professional-grade 2D CAD software from Grebus, Germany. Iris offers a modern UI with all tools categorized under different ribbon tabs. You can see traditional commands such as line, polyline, rectangle, circle, annotations, layers, everything is there under the ribbon tab here. Bottom you have your command window, so you can just select your command such as keyboard shortcuts of C for circle, M for move, L for line. All the keyboard shortcuts are supported by Iris. Also, Iris comes under different workspaces such as Classic for the old style drop-down option, CAD General for traditional users, and 3D modeling for your commands such as extrude, loft, your Boolean operations such as your subtract, union, everything is supported by Iris. The most important thing in Iris is the file format, which is DWG. So you can open your old CAD software files directly in Iris by selecting the DWG option here. And most importantly, in Iris, you can also save files in DWG. So files created and modified in Iris can be saved in old versions of DWG so that it can be opened in other CAD softwares or old versions of CAD softwares. The most important thing, Iris has all the commonly used commands of CAD software such as hatch or blocks, layers, xref for your external reference files. Everything is there in Iris. The most important thing is Iris has all these commands plus the additional productivity tool, which makes Iris a very unique offering. I'll talk about all those productivity tools one by one. The first thing is the power trim. You can see we have the regular trim and extend option, but Iris offers this unique power trim, which can be easily used to trim entities. Just move your mouse over the entities and you can trim them. You can easily delete such kind of entities where you don't have any boundaries, which is not possible in your traditional CAD softwares. You have to use the delete option. You can't trim them, but with power trim, I can easily trim them. Now, the same command can also be used to extend entities. So trimming of hatches, extension of entities, and deleting of unwanted entities. Everything is supported by Iris in the power trim option. Next, in the productivity tool, we'll talk about the next productivity tool is the smart dimension. If you go to annotate, you can see you have all the traditional CAD dimension tools, but smart dimension is the unique option from in Iris, which can be easily used to create your horizontal dimensions, your vertical dimension, or your align dimension. So in the same command, I can create horizontal, vertical, and align. And most importantly, it's not just restricted to this. You can easily use your smart dimension to give uh, diameter dimension for a circle or a radius dimension for a arc. So all this are supported in a single command with Iris. And most importantly, it also can create different kind of angles as well. So you can select two entities and you can see it create angles. Again, you can easily create your align dimension, but if you move your mouse, it can give you the horizontal or vertical dimension for the selected entities. So the smart dimension is a very unique addition in Iris, which can really save your time by reducing the requirement of selecting different type of dimension commands for creating different dimensions. One single command can create you 5 to 6 different kind of dimensions. Very powerful tool and a very unique productivity tool is mouse gesture, which is there in Iris, which can easily be used to activate any command of my choice. If I want to open a file or if I want to work with lines, I can just simply select my mouse in this direction and it can be used to It can be used to select or create lines. I can select whatever dimension or commands are required in this mouse gesture directly by going to your manage mouse gesture option. Let's say I have all these 8 commands selected in the mouse gesture here, but I want the circle command instead of the angle dimension command. So I can just simply go to the circle option and assign it a direction. So now I have the circle command in my mouse gesture. A unique but really powerful tool which can help me in creating different entities in shorter time. A very important and a very powerful productivity tool which is there in Aries is option to import PDF file. So you can import PDF file, just go to the insert PDF option, import PDF, dialog box will be open. You can select the PDF file which you want to convert and click on open. Now it recognizes that there is one page in this PDF which needs to be converted. So I can just keeping the settings as default and click OK. So in this way, the PDF file has been converted into a DWG file. I can assign it a destination here, and now I can explode this to make the necessary changes in my PDF file. I can just double click and then go to the option here. I can just double click on the text here and simply select, let's say I wanted to make a small change in the kitchen dimension. I can update it here. And now the same PDF drawing can be saved back to the PDF file using the export PDF option or the print option like any other traditional CAD software. So Aries offers a very unique combination of your traditional CAD software commands with all the modern productivity tools. Not just the simple productivity tool which we talked about here, but many additional commands like the drawing compare option, which can easily reduce the time you spend on the revision control of your file, or a very useful communication tool such as voice note, which can be used to record audio messages in drawing files. All this makes Aries a very unique offering. So if you are interested in a detailed demonstration of Aries, you can contact the Greybot local reseller in your region. Thank you for watching the video.